The most common thing I hear is that print is dead. Schumann Printers has done a wonderful job of picking up on those little things in the background that you may not notice at first, but once you do start working in printing, you kind of realize how expansive printing really is in our day-to-day life.
I guarantee that most people in the area have seen something I print, whether they know it or not. Use the coupons to go to Culver's or restaurants that they might like.
At Schumann Printers, we do what we call short to medium run special interest catalogs and magazines. For instance, we do lots of hunting books or car books or catalogs for seats on ATVs. Just anything you could think of, we pretty much cover that in what we print.
Came for a tour in high school, did a walkthrough and everything, and my dad worked here as a maintenance guy, so ended up starting to work during the summer and everything, and just ended up working out.
So I originally started in the press room here at Schumann Printers. My background was in the bindery, pre-press, other departments as well. The way I looked at it was I wanted to learn the entire process of printing. And fortunately at Schumann Printers, there's always the opportunity to try and improve yourself and find a good fit.
I've stayed at Schumann Printers because I have been able to advance and find what I'm good at and what I'm passionate about. And once you find that, it's not work anymore.
There are a lot of things to learn, but a lot of opportunity in between entry level and second pressman. And still opportunities for me to advance from here.
Well, Schumann Printers has a good history of being a company that people want to work for. And when I came here, I saw that there are so many people that have 30 plus years in, and you can tell that it's a nice company to work for when people stay around.
I mean, there's always like three big things for a career as to like what you do, be compensated fairly, and like the people you work with. And this is one of the first places I've worked at that I've been able to confidently say I've hit all three.
The thing I find most rewarding is the people that I work with. We've all became family over the years.
Kind of tight knit. It's like a family. Anytime someone leaves, it's hard to see them go. You don't want to see them go. And it's like I said, I didn't know anything about it, but I learned to love it, and it's great.
Printing, much like manufacturing, is you're creating something from nothing. What I like most about printing is that I'm making something unique and different every day.
There's still a lot of misnomers on what manufacturing is and that it's a dark, dirty place. Really, that has changed so much in the last couple decades, and it just haven't been able to get people to realize that. So I think our partnership and other manufacturers' partnership with the MBA helps people get that exposure that they need to see that it's not that.
Like seeing a project come in from just an idea or a concept and seeing it out the door, all of the moving parts work together to get a really nice piece at the end is very satisfying.
Nice when you go to a store or something and you see a magazine that was produced here, and you pick it up and look at it and know that we did that. And you see someone pick it up and buy it, you just know that you did that. Pretty cool.
Find something that's suitable for you and that you think is going to inspire you to want to do good work, because that's what employers nowadays are looking for.
You want to work for a company that is going to provide you a good atmosphere. And at Schumann Printers, they have a very nice atmosphere, and it makes you want to come to work. It makes you want to do a good job for your company because they care about you.